youthful blooming Mary lay with love and sleep oppressed, when wandering through the wood, for her favour oft had sued, he gazed, he wished, he feared, he blushed, and trembled where he stood. Her closed eyes like weapons sheathed were sealed in soft repose. Her lips still as she fragrant breathed, it richer dyed the rose. The springing lily sweetly pressed, while wanton kissed her rival breast. He gazed, he wished, he feared, he blushed, his bosom ill at rest. Her robes light waving in the breeze, her tender limbs embrace, her lovely form, her native ease, all harmony and grace. Tumultuous tides his pulses roll, a faltering ardent kiss he stole. He gazed, he wished, he feared, he blushed, and sighed his very soul. As flies the partridge from the brake on fear-inspired wings, so Nelly, starting half awake,